我现在是属于这个地方，这家头是长。
现在还是胀胀的。
就是，对，因為今天早上也是4點鐘起。
佢依家都係好似頭暈暈。
痛喺邊度最痛？
你是脖子哪裡比較？
就是從這一直到這裡。
呢度。
OK。Better, little bit better, right? Yeah.
Good.
Okay, good, pretty good. I'll put on YouTube there. Pretty good, right? Some food for me. Okay, some food for me. Okay, some food for me. Okay. OK， 轉身過嚟，轉身，轉身過嚟，just turn this way, whole body. Yeah, whole body, turn this way. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay, this one. Okay, 放鬆。好緊，另一邊，turn this way。OK， 好。好緊，腦壁好緊。OK， 瞓上少少，再瞓上少少。OK， 放鬆。OK， 你頸 move 得幾好啊，煲晒頸 pretty good， 煲晒 move pretty good. So tell me how do you feel?
Yeah, this side.
This side hurt. Oh, okay. But you feel a little bit better? A little bit better. Both sides pretty good.
Yeah.
You feel pretty good? A little bit better?
Yeah.
Before you come here, DC, right? DC headache, right? 好頭暈。而家 OK 啦 a little bit better.
It's heart is down. It's down. It's
muscle tight.
Yeah.
Little bit tight. Oh, okay. So, turn side.
Yeah.
Better, a little bit better, right? Yeah.
Good.
Okay, good, pretty good. I'll put on YouTube there. Pretty good, right? Okay.